Got my twin next to me.
I don't know if I can make it.
Ooh.
What's your chance?
Okay.
The house, I ain't got no license.
He blew the engine up. Hey, there's a pole right there. You're killing that bush. That Tahoe wide as fuck. Whoop, whoop. Go get him. Go get him. You see this face? This face is too pretty to get shot, okay? Let's see the 10 pounds of cocaine. Oh, it's on the truck still. Holy shit, that's huge.
All right, put your head in it.
It's fucking hot. Y'all like my new snapback? Good. You're cute.
Oh, thank you, darling. How you doing?
Are we getting this bread?
Bread will be gotten tonight.
Bread will be gotten.
Bread, we're getting bread. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. God damn it. I didn't think this through. I was hungry, so we stopped. It's a great intro today. Great intro to the video. We're headed to a truck meet. We got an exhaust tip going on the truck. And we stopped at Quick Trip. Get it.
All right, come on. Hey, watch out. Yeah.
Got my twin next to me. Got my twin. My twin with the 37s on it. That's goals right there. My twin next to me. Yeah. Hell yeah.
I don't know if I can make it. I can't make it.
If you were a hitman, this would be perfect.
Look at the Tahoe though. Or Suburban. Hey.
Let's go.
Damn, look at that Jeep down there.
The Suburban. My man wants to dance. Is he dancing again? What's he doing? What's he doing? Ooh. Ah. Hit. Hit. Ah. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. Ford rolling through. Uh-oh. Ford rolling through. That Tahoe wide as fuck. I'm fucking with that Tahoe. That red Tahoe, yeah.
Yeah.
Pull forward for me. Oh, baby.
What's that taco down there? Is that a taco?
No, it's a Ford. Ted, you got enough flashlights on your damn camera?
Oh my God.
Jeez.
Look
It's
how
like
good,
it's
look,
like scary stories.
Look how good the lighting is.
It's like
Look at him.
scary stories.
Look at him.
Huh? Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
What's your channel?
Okay.
Hey.
My man's been asking me for weeks to be in the video.
Yeah, dude.
Say something special.
It's been a minute.
Say something special.
Hey, let's get this bread, boys.
Fuck yeah. That's all I wanted. That's all I need. Yo. What's up, bro? All right, where's the truck at?
The truck's in the house. I ain't got no license.
He blew the engine up. He blew the engine up.
You wanna see my
He
ticket?
cracked the wheel. He's running 17s now.
I guess.
I'm just kidding. Everybody's been getting tickets recently, but your boy. 5% windshield tint gang.
I didn't get a ticket for that. I got a ticket for a 139
Yeah,
and a
see, y'all like
65.
to speed. I can't speed in my truck.
I wasn't in my truck. I was in my dad's car at 3:30 in the morning. So.
Cut that. Cut that. No,
Never
no,
asked
no,
up.
no. See, that's why I can't have a fast truck. We're gonna get in trouble. I don't need that in my life. We're gonna get kicked out.
Yeah, let's see who has the biggest dog.
Bradley, bro. I love jail. You don't want to go to Barstow. That shit ain't nothing to me.
Homeboy's going off the curb over there. What the fuck you got going on over here? Hey, there's a pole right there. You're killing that bush. You're killing that bush, goddammit. Oh, they're whipping. Oh, they're whipping. They got a bit, I don't know what's going on over there. Damn. I'm fucking with that. 14Y Sierra, y'all go follow my man. That's clean, that's clean. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. My man is shitting on him. Ain't that right? Shitting on him out here. I ain't shitting on you. Shitting on him out here. They've been over here talking about who's running the meet for like 20 minutes now. I thought they were gonna fight, for real. I really thought they were gonna fight over there. People had guns and stuff, like, well, the cops finally came, everybody's getting kicked out. Now it's a shit show to get out of here, of course. Oh, don't hit the cop. Some nice trucks out here, though. Just waiting to get out. There's that Tahoe again. Oh, hell, here we go. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Go get him. Go get him. So we got kicked out of the last meet spot. Everybody came to the academy over here. We need a new meet spot. That was lame as fuck. They were about to fight and start shooting over who was hosting the meet and stuff. Some other stuff. Yeah, I don't know. I got out of there. You see this face? This face is too pretty to get shot. Okay? I can't be out here getting shot. So a bunch of people are over there. A bunch of the people that are from our side of town. Hey, what's up? A bunch of people from Atlanta. We came to this side. and I don't know what they're doing.
You want that tip?
Yeah.
You want me to count?
Yeah, tell them to come over here.
Yeah, come to the academy. Keep an eye out.
Hey, we about to get a tip for the truck. What's up? Matt, what happened?
Yeah.
How would you describe what just happened?
I would describe it
Yes.
as bullshit.
Livery. The highlight of the night right here. I will tell you guys, definitely the highlight of the night. Above all the cops and almost getting shot, all of that fun stuff. This is the highlight of the night. Pop it open, let's see it. Let's see the 10 pounds of cocaine. Oh, it's on the truck still. Holy shit, that's huge. That's really big. That's huge. You wanna know how much money I owe the Snap-on man?
5,000.
It's 25 bucks a week. All right, so Justin, I'll put his Instagram on the screen, has graciously donated to the channel a 4 to 10 inch tip that's going on the truck tomorrow. And he's even getting down under the truck and taking it off for me.
Look at that quality service.
Quality, look how huge that motherfucker is. This is going on the truck tomorrow for those of you.
Put your hand next to it for reference.
Look how big that is compared to my hand. Oh, I'm so freaking excited. Ow. No idea. Oh my God.
Someone,
Oh God.
they just started pulling up.
Oh, it's hot. Fuck. Ow.
Of course it's hot.
Hey, somebody. Hey, I got. Hell yeah.
All right, put your head in it. You got to. You got to.
This is going on the truck tomorrow, just for those of you that are wondering. It's fucking hot. Oh, hell yeah. Y'all like my new snapback? Hey, huge shout out to Justin. Make sure you guys go follow him on Instagram for donating the tip to the channel and to the truck. We got a 10-inch tip to put on the truck now, and I'm super excited. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Come back tomorrow and you guys will see that.
That's what I'm talking about.